This I bought last year during last year's Prime Day sale. Look at that artwork. I'm keeping this box. I'm not throwing this out. So nice. Okay. Let me move this up a bit. Move this down. Okay. Yeah, look at that box. G.I. Joe Classified series. Blue Ninjas. So when I was collecting G.I. Joe, they didn't have, except for Storm Shadow, they didn't have many ninjas. So I know after a while they put out Ninja Force and some generic Cobra ninjas. So why is it so blurry? Wipe the camera. Alright, that looks better. I don't know what keeps making the thing blurry. I like these masks. We got a Kitsune mask and a Oni mask. Oh man, that's gonna be cool. Alright. Again, here's the artwork. They have these on Amazon. I'm not sure if these are Amazon exclusives, but, you know, look for them. These seem really nice. We'll find out. We're going to open this up. Alright. Let's open. I'm going to keep this box. Make sure I keep it nice. How does this open? Oh, it's okay. It's true. Look at that. Nice. Male and female ninjas. I remember seeing another YouTube unboxer that said his headcanon is that they're a married couple. Cool. Cobra footlocker for the blue ninjas. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. That's all that's in the box. Okay. I'm gonna keep this one, so not throw it out. This too. This is nice to have in the background. You know, tell me, you know, in my YouTube videos, should I make some kind of backdrop of stuff? You know, for when I do these unboxing videos, because like otherwise it's like this. It's just plain. I got a folding table. I got a light behind me, and I got my microphone set up. Should I have a background there or something? Or it doesn't matter. We're just focusing on the figures we're unboxing. You don't want to have too many distractions in the background. Let me know. Alright, a lot of stuff. Okay. Don't swallow the accessories. Cool. Yeah, definitely keeping this. Open up the Cracker Jack package. Wow, that's a lot. That is a lot. Alright, let's make sure we got everything out. Okay, cool. Yeah, they really go out of their way to make everything nice. Cool, everything's out. Let's get rid of the paper. Okay, gotta open this stuff. Boom, boom, boom. What do we do? Ugh. They use tough tape. Let's use the scissor. Da-da-da. Doing that telescopic surgery. Fudge, man. Why that's so difficult? What was this? I don't think they really need to put this in cardboard. Those things usually don't bend. Alright. So yeah, if you're watching this on YouTube, watching the recording of the stream, I will edit down the stream into individual videos. So watch out for those. What is that? Is barely hanging on, but cool. Shouldn't there be two of these? Oh, there are two. Okay, good. All right. So yeah, that's why we do these videos, these unboxing streams, so you can see what you're in for when you get the figure. You know, no cuts, no big edits. That's okay. This would definitely be bent out of shape if they didn't put it in cardboard. So I'm really glad they did. Oh, fudge. Okay. Nice. The sword is cool. That was definitely Cobra manufactured. Oh man. Cool. Alright. That's enough of that. A lot of stuff here. Let's get rid of this cardboard. Oh, the masks. Look at these. Look at that. Oh, they're not even masks. They're the full head. You pop on. These look nice. Cool. Fudge. I just knocked over Jinx. Let me fix that. Okay. Alright. Let's do this. You gotta cut the fudge. How do you... Oh, it's so tough. Okay, there. I don't want to break the figure, but why is this so hard to cut? It's like twine. There we go. Okay. Look at these eyes. They don't even have full eyes. Like, it's very spooky looking. Do you have to cut it from the back? Oh no, that's a big mess of nonsense there. Oh, let's remove this guy. Oh, fudge, his legs. Okay. This is a pain in the neck. You're gonna get this unedited. You know what? I have to look at it close with my eyes. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let's do that. Now let me get this also. I have to look with my eyes. It'll be faster than doing a microscope surgery. with the iPad screen. Also, I could get a better grip. Alright, cool. All full of holes and stuff. That could be thrown out. It's cool that they went all out with that packaging though. Okay, let's lower this a little. Got male and female ninjas. Look at those uniforms. It's really nice. You got the Cobra logo on this headband, kind of like the Naruto ninjas. Oh man, I forget what the Naruto ninjas are called. This one's a little off, but that's fine. Oh, there was cardboard on it, that's why. Cool. Very cool. There's like stuff to put weapons here too. Alright, how are we gonna load this? I want to see them with the masks. Oh, fudge. Okay, so pop off the head. Let's get the Kitsune one here. Pop that on. We need some grip. Yeah. Oh man, that's like from video games. Well, you know, I mean history, but you see this a lot in like some video games. Spooky Kitsune mask. Alright, what's our weapon loadouts here? Man, that's a lot of cardboard dust. You just wipe some of this away. Wasn't there a bow here somewhere? Anyways, holding it. I'm going like, isn't there a bow here somewhere? Yeah. Alright. Let's give the bow to Kitsune. That's gonna be their names. Kitsune and Oni. Fudge. Hold on. Oh, okay, where's the tweezers? Sometimes the grip is too, see how it's way too enclosed? Sometimes, oh, we got tape all over the... Oh, fudge, now they're on my glove. Okay. Sometimes we gotta loosen the plastic. So this is the trick. Just try not to break the figure. Get it in the grip and then just... See? Like that a little bit. But try not to break it. It's a little pliable, but you never know. So if you break it, that's your fault. So don't blame me. Oh man, or you figure it out. Where's the bow? I was just holding the dang thing. Here it is. So many weapon options. Like you could buy multiples of these and you could have some with the masks and some without. Oh. Maybe I have to do it like this. Alright, we're gonna give up on that. Hold on a moment. Jeez. Maybe we'll give the bow to this guy. Let's see what he looks like with the Oni head. Oh man, this one's head is more difficult to put off because he has this ridge here, so you can't get a whole grip at the bottom. There we go. Alright. Oni head. Cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. Nice. Right, what can you expect from Cobra, of course. Okay, I think this hand is way bigger. So maybe that's the one that needs to hold the bow. Fudge, I'm gonna break it. Bow. This bow is huge too. Oh man, I want to use the bow, but his hands are a problem. Might have to play with that some other time. Fudge. What time is it? Oh, it's already 12. Alright. I'm gonna have to do the bow. Look out for when I do a YouTube short. I'm gonna have the bow on him. Look at this. Look at that. It's got a rope with a grappling hook. Oh my god, there's so much possibilities you could do with this stuff. Alright. So let's go through the accessories. Heads, we'll put these aside, but those are great. Bow and quiver of arrows, super nice. I want to put this on one of them. Grappling hook. Kama, sai, an axe. What is this, cardboard? An axe. Okay, nice. They give you a full set. Two kama and 2 sais. And 2 axes also. God, you get so much. What is this? Ah, this is to put the swords. Alright. Even bigger kama. All sorts of swords. Alright, swords are too normal. Too normal. What do we want? Let's get all Raphael with this. Okay. Cool. Let's get a ninja. Let's get one of the jumping stands. Play around. Maybe. Is there an ab crunch? Alright, so I got one. What do we do with this guy? I really wish I could get the bow on him. That's what I want. That's what I need. Okay. Can't compromise just because stupid hand. But look, I think we're gouging the plastic. Yeah, this is tough plastic, man. I think I gouged that quite a bit. Effing it up. Alright. It's the thumb mainly that gets in the way. Let's watch me break the thumb right off. See how it's enclosed? There's no way to slide anything in there. Fudge, it's gonna come right off. Watch me continue my poor decisions. Yeah, look, I'm already gouging the plastic right off. Fudge. Wow. And there's no extra hand options either in this. You break it, you're done with the figure. How can I get that in? Does it go better in the other hand? Maybe it does. Maybe it goes better in here. Fudge. Really. Plastic. All messed up. I don't know what hand these go in. It's so difficult. Alright. Whatever. I'm gonna put swords. You're gonna get swords, my friend. You're gonna get cool swords. Alright. This should just slide right through. Oh, fudge. Please, my friend. Alright, whatever. You get axes. That's what you get, dude. Whatever's easiest to put in. It's what you're gonna get. So I'm already fed up. Oh man, I just bent that. See, because this is why we do the unboxing, so then you can see what you're in for. If you have any recommendations on how I could do this better. I know some people say to heat up the plastic, like with hot water, and then that makes everything more pliable instead of what I just did and gouged the plastic. Fudge, you're getting swords. But this sword is... Alright. Whatever can fit in there. So difficult. I'm glad. Can you know what? At least when it's not close up, you can't see those gouge marks. It's just because it's magnified. It just won't go, my friend. Jeez, it's made of different plastic. Usually they're made of like really pliable plastic for the hand, but this one is not. So you are just gonna have to... Just gonna have to have action stuff. We're gonna put the backpack quiver on you anyway. Oh, fudge. It doesn't even go on really well. You know why? Because of that stupid hood. Gotta put it at an angle. Okay. Then, let's get a stand for him. So many weapon options. And then, like, none of them really fit well on the male ninja's body. I mean, his hands. Okay, let's lower this a little. Move that up. And then we'll just put this somewhere like this. Okay. Let's do something like this. And then do like this. This is the worst unboxing ever. Just pretend. Just pretend, everyone. Just pretend. Oh, fudge, okay. How do we get these guys closer? There we go. How do you like that? Cool, I'd say. Oh man, is that in frame at all? Almost. Well, that's our unboxing for today. We got Kamakura, Jinx, and Cobra Blue Ninjas. Yeah. Too bad I can't get a single weapon in the male one's hand. I gotta figure that out. But look out for when I do my YouTube shorts. I put them on the turntable with the lights. So he will have cool stuff and look cool there. But for now, you could see with the unboxing, they come with a lot of accessories. They just don't go in the male one's hands. The female one's pretty cool though. Like we were able to get the size in. Yeah. What's my favorite one out of here? Oh, by the way, let me know how you like the blue ninjas. Yeah. The blue Cobra ninjas. But yeah, I think my favorite here is Jinx, for sure. I think Jinx just looks original. Kamakura just looks like a green ninja. Green, very plain ninja. The only thing that's cool is his shin armor, which is pretty nice. The blue ninjas they're really good, but just right now I'm frustrated with them. But I think they might actually be my favorite ones. Because the multiple heads are fantastic. You know, even just their standard head. I'm torn between if this is better than the Oni head, you know? So, and this one's the female ninja head. But the Kitsune mask is definite, you have to have that. Pretty awesome. Alright everyone, I hope everybody enjoyed this unboxing. And please, I'm a struggling YouTuber. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I think currently I have 184 subscribers. I'd like to get to 200 by the end of the year. So please subscribe. I'd like to make some friends too here. that are also action figure collectors and fans. So yeah, please comment. If you've got a YouTube channel, let me know and I'll follow it.